Hello natural beauty lovers, welcome back to my cosmetic school. Today's video is about a banana soap. As you know, this is part of our amazing summer fruit projects and I hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. The first thing to do is to create the embeds. This is totally optional. I'm using a melt and brew base to create some banana soaps to add on the top of the soap. This is the melted base. Now I'm adding the color and the banana fragrance. In the description section below, you can find all the information about where to get the mold and also the banana fragrance oil. Here they are, the beautiful banana embeds. I'm going to use them at the end of the process just to add a little bit of decoration on the top of my soap. And now we're using the cold process method. This is me adding the lye solution to my melted oils. And this is my smushed banana. As you can see, I'm using a real banana to this soap just to add a little bit of moisture, a little bit of sweetness to the skin. It's just amazing. This is a cold process method, so make sure you understand exactly what it means, what are the safety measures that you need to take. There's a complete guide on how to make this product, which includes a big section about light safety that you need to understand before you make your soap. I've decided to add a little bit of color to my soap. Again, this is totally optional. You don't have to do this. You can just use your full soap butter and add the embeds on the top, or you can even not use the embeds. It's all up to you. You need to try this banana fragrance oil. It smells amazing. forget that there is a link on the description section below where you will find where to download your guide. The guide will tell you exactly how to make this product, the step-by-step process. And that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you're enjoying this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, enjoy it. And this is how it looked like in the next day, the next 24 hours. And now basically I'm going to take it out of the mold and cut it in pieces. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.